In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in ClickUp. We'll set up a simple professional workspace your clients can access to track progress, share files, and give feedback, all without exposing your internal processes. First, open ClickUp and create a new space. Name it Client Portal so you and your team instantly recognize where client-facing work lives. Inside that space, create a folder called Clients. This folder will become the container for all of your client-specific lists, keeping everything clean and easy to navigate. Within the Clients folder, create a list for each client. Name it with the client name, like Client, ABC Company. That client list becomes the single home for their tasks, deadlines, and updates. If you're following along, the official ClickUp link is at the top of the description to sign in or download the app and keep pace with the steps. Inside each client list, add the core tasks you always share with clients. Create a project overview task to outline scope and goals. Add a milestones or deadlines task to centralize key dates. Include a deliverables task to track handoffs, and a feedback or revisions task to capture comments and approvals. When a task has multiple parts, use subtasks for step-by-step tracking so nothing slips. Next, invite your client as a guest to that specific list. Open the list, click Share, invite them by email, and set permissions. If you want them to observe without changing anything, choose Can View Tasks. If you need their input, choose Can Comment so they can leave feedback directly on tasks. Avoid full editing access unless there's a clear reason, which helps protect your workflow. For a clean client experience, add views that make sense to them. A board view is great for status, moving items from idea to in progress to completed. A list view gives a detailed, sortable overview. Use filters to hide internal tasks or sensitive notes, so clients only see what's meant for them. Use ClickUp docs inside the client list for shared resources. Create a new doc for project details, guides, contracts, or FAQs, and set permissions so your client can view but not edit. Finally, stay organized as you scale. Use task tags to mark priorities or deliverable types, and create a template client list so new client setups are fast and consistent. That's it. Your client portal is ready. Thanks for watching.